Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome. So here's a quick little video on assigning assignments from our textbook resources. Now this is just the Savvas Realize Pearson Experience Biology Chemistry, the Pearson version. So you have to already have the EasyBridge installed app added. If you haven't done that yet, there's another video that shows you how to do that. But when you're ready to start working, assigning assignments, so you click on that and then it tells you it's going to take you to an external link, but if you're signed in, it tells you they're not sure where to send you. So I don't know if this is just me, but clearly this Schoology platform is just not working. So what I do is I just go to, I have the link saved to the Savvas Realize, and so I just go directly to that website. If you're not logged into it, you're going to have to log in. So let me show that real quick. Right, so let's see. So right, you get there like this, and I'll put this link, this big ugly link here. I'll go ahead and put that in the description for the video. Down in the video, in the description, there will be this link to help you get here. And then you do need the link. I haven't had good luck logging in here. I log in with the plus and auto button, and then I search our district and I go in that way. And then if you're already signed in with the SSO, it'll bring you to there. If not, it just asks you to sign in using your district email and password. And then it brings you here, and then your classes should actually already be loaded. Okay, if you already added them in here, if you already added them through the EasyBridge, then they're already actually loaded for you. And so unfortunately, right, it doesn't combine the classes. It keeps them separated like Schoology. And then you just click on the class to see the class, and then there's a calendar, there's a discussion feature, students, here you can see the students. There's class settings you can mess around with, but the question was about assignments. So in order to add assignments, you have to explore the program, and so you're just logged in on the text that you're using. And so, right, let's say I want to assign the opening activity, anchoring phenomenon. Right, maybe I want to check it out real quick. Oh, it's going to be video. Anyway, let's say I determine that that is an assignment I want to assign. So then I click the assign button, right? And I put the start date, right? And you put in the end date, right? If there's additional instructions, you can put those there. And then you choose the class. So I'm going to assign this to my fourth period biology class, right? And then if I go to that class, Biology 4, right, it says that that assignment is listed. So now the question was, how do the students know that I've assigned this to them? As of right now, it doesn't appear to me that it lets them know in Schoology. There doesn't seem to be an interface that when you assign something in EasyBridge, that it shows up here, right? It doesn't show up here that they have an assignment due. So for now, we have to let them know. You can either post it here as an update. That's probably what I'm going to do. I like to have all their information for them in one place, and then I'll probably post a link to get here, or else tell them, log into your Savvas the log into EasyBridge. It's also called EasyBridge for them. Again, they're supposed to be able to click on their little Savvas EasyBridge button, and it's supposed to appear in Schoology. But like I said, I haven't done it with them yet, so I don't know if it's going to look what it's going to look like. And then same thing with grading. As of right now, I don't know if when we grade it here, right? If we grade it here, does it get recorded in Schoology? I doubt it right now. Maybe that's something that's coming. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Well, I'll let you know when I find out. But that's all I got so far, you guys. It's really... I did the training, the textbook training, and they didn't really get into these kind of things with us. So still having to learn quite a bit on our own. So anyway, that's what I found out today. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe you found other things. Just email back to us and let us know what you found. Or if you could make a video and show us some of what you found, that'd be great too. Anyway, be well, you guys. Let me know if you need anything. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then. Take care now. Bye-bye.